Hi, I am Danielle Simons-Cheney.
And I'm Dana Visser, and your student is really lucky because they are in an Earth System Science class that is co-taught and has two teachers. So we wanted to introduce ourselves and kind of let you know that a lot of freshman classes are co-taught, and that's why your student has two teachers. Not all ESS classes are co-taught, but one thing is that they get the benefit of having two different teachers that can support them. And both your students and yourself can reach out to either of us if you have any needs or need support. This is our classroom. So we're in 212. It's upstairs. You can see Simon's over there. And that's where your student will be having class. And I'm going to have Danielle show you how to access some of the materials from our class.
If you head to the main Colchester High School webpage and search for my name under the directory, you can type in Simons, which is what most students call me. You'll be able to access our virtual classroom on our science. And from here, you can access all of the documents, and we really recommend that you take a peek at the semester at a glance in the syllabus, as that will show you what we're covering this year. All students, even though they could come here, they are actually going to be encouraged to go to Google Classroom each week for their work. They don't really need to come here, but this is a great place for you to explore throughout the year and see what we're up to. We really look forward to working with your child or your student and hope to meet you in person someday. But if not, feel free to reach out to us through email anytime you have questions.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks.